Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to put music on a Capcut by iOS or iPhone. So here I already have a Capcut open, and now the next thing we have to do is just go into project. You can choose new project or you can also use the previous project. So here I already have the project with the videos but then no sound, no music on it, and let's put a video. So there will be two ways to add or to put the audio or sound or music on Capcut. You can just click the add audio here, or you can also just click the audio tools down here. So let's try this tab. Just need to click it and you will be generated into the other tool seal. You just need to click a sounds, and after that find out the music that you want to have. Okay, and after that just have this. And after you're satisfied with the music, you just need to click plus. Okay, you just need to click plus. Okay, let me repeat for you. So you just need to go into the sounds, and then after that just find out the music. Let's say I want to do a sound. Okay, and after that just click search, and after you found the music, you just need to click plus button over here to add the music into your project. Just need to drag into the left side, and then after that adjusting the length of the music so it will be fit into the clip, and that's all. That's the way how to put music on a CapCut. So if you found this tutorial is really got useful, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.